Here is how you can know previously installed apps on your Android phone. Let me show you and exactly guide you how you can find it. If you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, I would just go to the Play Store like that, and you can see that inside of the Google Play, we need to be signed in with a Google account. So you can tap on your profile at the top, and you can go to the Manage Apps and a Device. In it there, you get to see all of the different things which are part of your device and the thing that you have downloaded, but you can click on manage, and in here you'll see all of the apps and games which have been downloaded. There are some filters at the top, so you can see for me it is selected that this device and only the apps that I currently have running on this phone, but I can switch it to the not installed. And then this is going to pull up literally the whole history of all of my installed apps using this Google account. So you can see that it dates to like 2014, literally like years into the past. So all of the apps which I downloaded when I started using this account for my apps, then all of those apps are basically going to be stored in here. So it's all sorted alphabetically. You can scroll through it very nicely and find all of the apps which are perhaps not even available anymore. Right, so that's interesting, but that's how you have the ability to go back in time and know the previously installed apps on this device. Keep in mind, however, that it only gets connected with this Google account. So if you have multiple Gmails which you use for downloading apps, try switching to a different account and see the same history in here, and perhaps you're going to see something else. But that's essentially how you can approach this. I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the future uploads.